Question number 1. SI unit of force is correct answer Newton. Number 2. Speed of the light in vacuum is correct answer 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Number 3. Which mirror is used as a shaving mirror? Correct answer concave mirror. Number 4. Unit of electric current is correct answer ampere. Number 5. SI unit of power is correct answer watt. Number 6. Which instrument measure atmospheric pressure? Correct answer barometer. Number 7. Which color has the longest wavelength? Correct answer red. Number 8. Which gas is used in electric bulb? Correct answer argon. Number 9. Unit of frequency is correct answer hertz. Number 10. Energy stored in food is measured in correct answer calorie. Number 11. Device that convert electric energy into mechanical energy. Correct answer is motor. Number 12. Unit of resistance is correct answer ohm. Number 13. Which mirror is used in rear view mirror of vehicle? Correct answer convex mirror. Number 14. SI unit of work is correct answer joule. Number 15. Which force pulls object toward earth? Correct answer gravity. Number 16. Unit of voltage is correct answer volt. Number 17. Device used to measure temperature is correct answer thermometer. Number 18. SI unit of pressure is correct answer Pascal. Number 19. Which energy is stored in stretch spring? Correct answer potential energy. Number 20. Sound travels fastest in correct answer solid. Number 21. Which lens is used in magnifying glass? Correct answer convex lens. Number 22. SI unit of energy is correct answer joule. Number 23. Who discovered gravity? Correct answer Isaac Newton. Number 24. Unit of electric power is correct answer watt. Number 25. Which energy is possessed by a moving object? Correct answer kinetic energy. Number 26. Which instrument measure electric current? Correct answer ammeter. Number 27. Which mirrors form a virtual image always? Correct answer both A and C, plane mirror and concave mirror. Number 28. Which phenomenon causes a rainbow? Correct answer refraction and dispersion. Number 29. Which metal is used in thermometer? Correct answer mercury. Number 23. Which energy comes from the sun? Correct answer solar energy. Number 31. Which wave can travel in vacuum? Correct answer light wave. Number 32. Boiling point of water is correct answer 100 degrees Celsius. Number 33. Unit of speed is meter per second. Number 34. Which forces opposes motion? Correct answer friction. Number 35. Which instrument measures electric voltage? Correct answer voltmeter. Number 36. Which law explains action and reaction? Correct answer Newton's third law. Number 37. Unit of density is correct answer kg per meter cube. Number 38. Which energy is stored in batteries? Correct answer, chemical energy. Number 39. Which phenomenon allows us to see objects? Correct answer, reflection of light. Number 40. Which lens is used to correct myopia? Correct answer, concave lens. Number 41. Unit of acceleration is correct answer, meter per second square. Number 42. Which force keeps planets in orbit? Correct answer, gravitational force. Number 43. Which color has shortest wavelength? Correct answer, violet. 44. Which law relates voltage, current, and resistance? Correct answer, Ohm's law. 45. SI unit of momentum is correct answer, kg into meter per second. 46. Which instrument measures humidity? Correct answer, hygrometer. 47. Which energy is stored in fuels? Correct answer, chemical energy. 48. Which type of mirror forms real image? Correct answer, concave mirror. 49. Which scientist discovered electromagnetic induction? Correct answer, Faraday. 50. Which device produces electricity? Correct answer, generator. Subscribe for more videos on government exam.